Vehicle hard starting. The number one reason of vehicle hard starting is electrical system. When we say electrical system, we have to check the battery. Check if the battery is weak or fully discharged. If the battery is discharged, then recharge it. The battery can be discharged when at the ignition switch, the position of the ignition key is on. Another is there's an open wire, meaning grounded wirings. Now, once the battery is okay, check for loose connections. Clean the battery clamp. If damaged, better replace it. Retighten the battery clamp. It should be tight enough for easy starting. Check also the battery cable for corrosion and retighten the bolt at the body ground. Sometimes this is being neglected, but actually this is very important because the battery is the main source of electric power to crank the engine. Another reason to consider is check the starter motor. Put the vehicle in a neutral position. Apply the handbrake. Then by means of the screwdriver, directly connect the B terminal and ST terminal of the starter motor. When it cranks, then the starter motor is good. But if not, then there's something wrong. Replace or repair the starter motor. Next to consider is ammeter. Check the terminals of the ammeter. One way of checking is connect all the wires or merge the connection to the positive terminal and start the engine. When it cranks, then the ammeter is defective. Replace the ammeter immediately. Next to consider is the ignition switch. Check for loose connection or damaged part. Check also the fuse at the fuse box. If damaged, replace it. Once again, electrical system is the number one reason of hard starting.